What if you could automate 80% of your marketing using AI? Not in theory, I'll show you how real businesses are already doing it. Hey, I'm Dan, I'm a developer with over 10 years of experience and I'm building tools that help people automate their content and marketing using AI. This channel is where I break it all down step by step so you can work smarter, not just harder. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 marketing automations you can set up using AI so you can stop doing everything manually and start capturing more leads with less effort. You'll learn what kind of marketing tasks you can automate today, real examples using AI tools, no complex setup needed, and how to create a setup that works while you sleep. Alright, let's jump into the first one. Lead capture and follow-up flow. Let's start with one of the most important things in marketing, capturing leads and actually following up. Most businesses lose leads because they take too long to respond, and in 2025 people don't wait around. So how does this work? A lead sends you a message, fills out a form or interacts with a chatbot. Their info goes into your CRM or Google Sheets, or in some cases you can pull it directly from the platform like Facebook lead ads or WhatsApp events. An AI agent jumps in and sends a personalized message automatically via WhatsApp, email, SMS or Messenger. Based on how they respond, the system can tag them, score them or route them into the next step of your funnel. It sounds complex, but it's really just a few moving parts connected together. Let me show you how it looks visually. Okay, you start with capturing a lead, example, through Facebook ads on your platform. The platform can be any social media platform or it can be your website. Then the platform sends the events to your database. Your database can be Google Sheets or can be any CRM like Pipedrive. The event contains data about the lead, it contains the name and the lead info form, and also it contains data that's already in your CRM. Then the AI platform takes the events from the database and crafts a message for the lead. Throughout an integration with the platform, it sends the message to the lead. You can use Zapier or N8N for this integration. Then the messaging platform also sends events to your CRM. What kind of events, you ask? It's when lead responds. Then the whole flow repeats itself until the lead takes the intended action or doesn't respond anymore. What does this mean? It means that your CRM has new data about the lead, it has a new message. Then the AI platform takes the new message and with the other data it has, it crafts a new message for the lead. And the process continues until the lead takes the intended action. And meanwhile, the AI platform also sends the events to the database. Based on the exchange of messages, you'll have more context. Qualify leads and book meetings or appointments automatically. If you're spending time going back and forth trying to schedule calls or qualify leads manually, this one will save you hours. Here's how it works. A lead fills out a short form or sends a message, something like "I'm interested." That data goes to an AI agent which reviews their info. The AI decides are they a good fit or not. If they are, it sends them a personalized booking link or auto-schedules a call using a tool like Google Calendar. If not, it can guide them to the right resource or filter them out. And all of this happens automatically, no human needed unless it's time to actually jump on the call. Let me show you what the flow really looks like visually, and you see that it's similar to the first one. It's just a slightly different use case with the same core building blocks. You start with capturing leads through Facebook ads. So again, you have a platform, Facebook, Instagram or your website, so a lead form there. Then the platform sends the events to the database. Same example, then has submitted the form. The database system, it can be either Google Sheets or Pipedrive or any CRM you are currently using. Then the AI platform takes the events from the database. The AI uses the CRM data and the new inputs to create a custom message. So it does two things. It crafts a message for the lead and then the lead responds and the process continues. Or it sends the appointment scheduling link. When it sends the appointment scheduling link, the process continues with the lead going to your meeting or appointment system. It can be Google Calendar, something easy to use. And then we store this data in the database. If the user responds with anything else but the appointment, then the data goes back to your database system, and the AI platform takes the data again, crafts a new message until you close the lead and book an appointment. And in the meanwhile, the AI platforms also sends everything that's happening to the database system, so next time you need to send a new message, then you'll have more context. Alright, now that your leads are booking themselves, let's make sure your content engine keeps them warm. Social media, scheduling and engagement. Posting every day while running a business? Yeah, no one has time for that. But with the right AI setup, you can generate, schedule and reply automatically. Here's how the flow works. Your AI agent generates a batch of posts, captions, images, hashtags, even call to actions. Those posts are saved into your content database or CRM, where everything is organized and ready to go. Through a scheduling tool or even a custom Zapier setup, those posts get published automatically across platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn or Facebook. And here's where it gets interesting. If someone leaves a comment or sends a DM, another AI agent can reply, qualify them or even send them a link. Those interactions can trigger the lead capture flow from automation number 1 or even the booking system from automation number 2. This automation starts by creating content for social media. Let's take OpenAI's ChatGPT as an example, because with their new update, their image generation got to a whole nother level. Then through an integration, this content needs to get stored inside the database. Let's say you can use NA10 or Zapier. From the database system, with the help of AI with another integration, the content gets scheduled and posted on any platform you'd like. You can use Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and all the other social media platforms. The lead comes to your platform and interacts with your post. The lead can leave a comment, can like your platform. And from commenting on your post, you can take the event and go back to automation number 1 or automation number 2. You can message the lead automatically and keep a conversation going without you being present. So now your social media isn't just active, it's working like a lead gen machine in the background 24/7. By the way, if you want to see how to actually build automations like this step by step, I got deep dive videos coming up. So if that sounds helpful, take a second and hit subscribe right now. AI chatbots for lead qualification. Most websites just sit there and hope people click around or fill out a form. But with an AI chatbot, your site becomes an interactive assistant, one that actually qualifies leads in real time. Here's how it works. A lead lands on your website or interacts with your brand on Messenger or WhatsApp. Instead of a generic pop-up, they're greeted by an AI chatbot that understands your business. It already knows your offers, your tone, and how to handle different types of leads. It asks smart, targeted questions. Based on their answer, the AI can respond instantly. They can qualify the lead based on fit, route them to the next step, whether that's a booking link, a lead form, a personalized resource, or directly close the sale. This one's actually pretty straightforward, so I won't even show a diagram, but it's one of the fastest automation to set up and one of the most valuable. AI generated reports and insights. If you're still manually checking your emails, socials and dashboards to figure out what's working, you're wasting time. AI can do the boring part for you. It can give you just the insights you need. Here's how it works. Your tools, email platform, social scheduler, ad manager generate performance data. That data gets pulled automatically into one place, like Google Sheets or your CRM. An AI agent reviews it and summarizes what happened. What performed best, what's underperforming, suggestions for what to try next. You can even schedule this to run weekly and get a report sent back to your inbox or wherever you work. This kind of setup is super underrated because once your data is organized and summarized, you can actually make better decisions without needing a full analytics team. Imagine taking all the repetitive stuff off your plate and knowing your marketing engine is still running in the background. If this helped, hit that subscribe button. There's more coming to help you automate smarter and grow faster. And let me know in the comments what's one marketing task you'd love to never do again. Thank you for watching and see you next time.